Transplanting has always been one of the most labor-intensive jobs in our industry. Each year, greenhouses struggle with getting enough people to transplant efficiently, produce a consistent quality of work, and get it done on time. One response from technology has been to create automatic transplanting machines. These electronic creations have sophisticated computers driving them with multiple moving parts working in sync to plant the material. These machines have unique requirements that dictate a higher level of commitment and skill to achieve efficiency goals. By combining old technology with new procedures and methods, Tagawa Greenhouses Incorporated has developed a new system to tackle your transplanting needs. TGI is proud to present the Tagawa Plug Punching System. The Tagawa Plug Punching System is part of an integrated program that combines the product with the technology delivered to your door with the superior quality you expect. The concept of the Tagawa Plug Punching System is very easy to understand. Seedlings are grown in a plug flat with a push-through bottom. When it comes time to transplant, the plug flat is placed into the machine. As the plug tray is raised, metal fingers push the seedlings through the bottom of the plug flat into the finished tray. The plug flat is then easily adjusted to line up the next set of plugs, and the process repeats itself. One person transplanting one finished tray with the pull of a lever. Simple, fast, and efficient. As you look further into the advantages of the Tagawa Plug Punching System, many operational and business issues are resolved. Cost savings. This system works without electricity and expensive support. It is low maintenance with high output. Just keep the machine clean and it should perform for many years. Low capital investment. Unlike a mechanical transplanter that can cost upwards of $100,000, this machine can come to your door for less than $5,000. Labor savings. Transplanting costs can drop as low as 15 to 20 cents a tray, as you require fewer people to transplant and generate more trays per hour. Mobility. Because of its size, the machine is very portable and can move easily within the greenhouse. You can integrate it into a line situation very quickly. For those people who do not have a centralized transplanting line, you can take the machine to the plug trays and plant right back into the same area without a lot of moving. Adaptable. This machine can handle many types of bedding trays. By just removing 4 bolts, you can change the plate and punch a different tray size. No complicated and time-consuming resetting of the machine is required. Finally, initial startup. This machine comes fully assembled and ready to use. No complicated manuals or extensive testing and calibrations are required. Just punch and go. The Tagawa Plug Punching System is currently in use at TGI. TGI has seen tremendous advantages in overall planting efficiencies. Jean Pagozzi, Operations Manager at TGI, explains.
The biggest advantage that we're seeing this year using the new Tagawa transplant system definitely has to be efficiencies that we've gained in labor. Typically here on one of our transplant lines, we run anywhere from 24 to 26 people per line. At this, on average, we can count on working a 10-hour day, cranking out between 6,000 and 7,000 trays per day. With these new Tagawa transplant systems, we're still able to run a double line. Per machine, we're averaging about 300 trays per hour. But what we're picking up is that we're able to take off 10 people per transplant line. So that has to be the single biggest advantage that we're seeing so far this year on the new Tagawa transplanting system.
In addition to efficiencies in transplanting, our production people are seeing an advantage in growing out the finished flats. Bill Kluth, Site Manager at TGI Depot, elaborates.
The biggest differences we've received this year compared to last year using the Tagawa transplant system this year is that our plugs are consistently in the center of each cell of the finished tray. Another change that we see is that the plug depth in the tray is uniform and at the right depth. We also see less damage to the leaf, stem, and root system so that there isn't any disease, or we've had less disease issues, and we've had fewer missing plants within the cells that we've gotten.
The product grown for the system will be in a 324 tray. The 324 tray has a soil volume comparable to a 288 tray, which will allow for a bigger and more developed plant to be transplanted. The 324 configuration also divides nicely into transplanting 606s, 9 finished flats per tray, or an 1801T, 18 finished flats per tray. The plugs for this transplanter are called plug punchables. As partners, Ball Seed is the exclusive distributor of these plugs produced specifically for the system. Cost savings, low capital investment, labor productivity, mobility, adaptability, simplicity. The Tagawa plug punching system is a tremendous tool for increasing efficiency and profitability in your greenhouse. It's time to start punching your way to success.